my new friend here. We've been watching the sundown together. It's purring away like a little Victron lawnmower. Hey Puss.
So what are you calling her?
Puss? This is the longest place we've stayed at for the whole trip in 5 months. We've actually been 5 days now in this little hotspot. I like it so much that I'm going to share it with you guys. So here we go. Hey Puss, hey? This guy turned up yesterday and I gave it some food and it's just hanging around like a bad smell. Up on my lap, loves this little mat we put out for us. We'll see if he or she comes back tomorrow. Matches Sooty though. They're both shades of black, aren't they? Why all of a sudden after 5 months will we decide to stay here for 5 days? Is it the coffee? Is it the margarita pizza? Is it my new little friend Puss? Or is it the weather? Let's find out. I believe you've met my new little friend Puss, and if we're lucky enough she might turn up a little bit later on in the video. Let's hope so. Time for a coffee.
What's that thing called when you meet somebody and you feel like you're walking on a cloud, and every step you made all your life, wrong or right?
Coffee number 1, Riverside. Nearly still sleeping. Maybe she'll wake up in a while, go and check a bit later. When I'm done with the morning coffees, right on the other side of this little inlet here, there's an amazing coffee shop. It makes the best cappuccino that you've ever tasted. So I might take you there and you can check it for yourself at our little coffee shop. We've been there every day at the same time, for the same routine, for the same coffee. Maybe that could be why we like this little city so much. Did I mention that this was free parking as well? I behave. The municipality here puts it on for free. Look, it's nothing special. Essentially, it's just a car park full of European RVs with our retirees. But that could be the reason why we like it. Let's go see if Nana's awake. My lord. Good morning, my lord.
What time is it?
10:53.
Oh yeah.
Big sleep-in for you. After the coffee shop, taking you to the beach, so we need some gear. Umbrella, blanket. I think that's it. Skateboard can stay here. Remember the feeling on Christmas Eve when you were as a kid and you used to put out a beer and a meat pie for Santa Claus the night before, and the suspense when you woke up in the morning to check if there was crumbs and the empty beer bottle was gone? Well, that's the feeling I'm getting going to this coffee shop.
Oh, really?
It's next level.
So you did like a beer and a what?
A beer and a meat pie.
A meat pie.
On the table for Santa Claus.
Oh.
And if you wake up in the morning to open your presents and if it was all gone, you knew there was presents under the tree.
Yeah, I understand, but I think it's
Aussie style, it's different to Norwegian style.
very Aussie style.
Yeah,
Yes.
different. Oh shit, you're not going to believe this. The day I want to film it to show you guys at home, on a Monday, it's closed. I'm devastated. 100% devastated, but what are you going to do about it? Look, this is the place. I'll show you a little around anyway. Penetta. If you're ever here, this is the spot to get your hot coffee. And we used to sit, or we do sit, right on the door there. Shit happens. Right, let's get down to the beach, show you the beach. A bit disappointed. Look, I've got a plan B, I'm not going to disappoint. We did talk about coffee, so we're going to get one. There's more than one way to skin a cat. And I know where to skin one. We're on plan B. Always have a plan B. Shit, we're on. Nina, little taste. Maybe the reason we like this town so much is the coffee. Oh, amazing little coffee. The guy was a little concerned when I ordered a double espresso. He didn't think I could handle it. And I said, mate, just calm your farm. I'm an expert here. And he laughed and it went down like a treat. It's Monday, just after midday. And we're going to sit our asses on the beach here for a couple of hours and enjoy this nice autumn weather. 23 degrees, sunny, not too windy, perfect temperature just to have a chill out. I think Nina's found a spot. I don't think you've seen our beach setup since France. And if you haven't seen it, here it is. Anyway, it's that time of the day. Just give me a second. Where's that bag, Nina? Oh, here you go. Oh shit, yes. It's time for the daily espartane. Been to a lot of beaches. I'm not saying this is the best beach I've been to, but it's up there. So maybe it's the beach that made us stay here for 5 days. See you on the water. Sea beach. Actually been lying there for the last couple of hours thinking where the puss is. So we go back and see if we can rustle her up so that we can say goodbye, because we're moving on today. Nina's found a new spot and we need to get out of here. We've actually been thinking now about the Schengen 90, 180 days. I've got no idea what's going on. We thought maybe it was just 90 days I have in the Schengen. But now it's this 180, it's all confusing. We need to find out. Maybe I've overstayed. I'll let you know if I've overstayed or not.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. I don't know. We just have to seriously look into it, because government rules are always complicated.
Yep.
These old boys here behind me, they sit here every day and they play cards. You hear them laughing, you hear them cursing at each other when they've made the wrong move on the cards. And I guess that's maybe why we like it here, with a sense of community. is just rustling up a little omelette here. Check it. And the puss is relaxing on the Norwegian sheepdog down there. I'm on my chat GPT. We've got Starlink Mini. It's arrived in Norway. And the logistics now is to get it here down in Italy. I've asked ChatGPT, it knows everything, this guy. If you haven't seen it, check it out. He said that PostNord, which is a post courier in Norway, has these drop blockers they send to Italy. So we're trying to find the nearest drop blocker around us, and then we can get the Starlink sent from Oslo to wherever the drop blocker is, maybe in Rome, Naples, maybe around here somewhere, I don't know. And it should take 2 to 5 working days to get here. So technology is unreal. And hopefully soon we'll have our Starlink.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hey, Puss. Puss. Hey. Right. Here's the Puss. Nina's going to look after the Puss. I'm going to go over and get the sunset on the time lapse. I'm skating over.
Okay, enjoy.
All right. All right, here's the time lapse. Here we go. Out for a evening cruise. Now the sun's gone down. Let's cruise up here a little bit, and then I'll go and pick up Nina, get rid of the cat out of the car, old Puss, and then we're going to go out for a little dinner in the city here. I think a margarita's on the cards. Shit, that was a busy little skate home. I had to walk half of it through the traffic there. Just give me 10 minutes to get changed. I'll be back. Every night they've been letting off firecrackers here. 5 nights in a row now, and they do it when the sun goes just down now at about midnight. I've got no idea why this has been going on. But 5 days in a row, there must be something happening around here. If you know, then let me know. Right, we're ready for a feed?
Oh yes. Do you want to have pizza again today?
Pizza is essential. When I grew up as a kid, the only thing I would eat was steak and potatoes and maybe beans, and everything else I refused. I eat a lot of things now, but I still love my favourites, and one favourite is the margarita. What's your favourite?
Diavola has been my favourite in Italy so far.
Now, what's your favourite food?
I don't know, pizza is one of them, I guess.
Pizza it is then. The Puss is back. Hey Puss. Hey. We're going out for dinner, Puss. You have to come back when we're done with dinner. Got an amazing response from last week's video about the little family feud between myself and Nina. We really appreciate your positive, inspiring feedback, guys, and thanks very much for that. Keep it coming. Looking for some Italian fashion, Nina?
No, maybe not this fashion.
Italians love their fashion, check it out. We're in the old city now. Nina?
Sorry?
We're in the old city.
Yeah. My girlfriend Hege, her father had like an apartment here, but they sold it, and I just wanted to take a picture and see where it was. And it's just over there.
This one, right here. This one.
Oh yeah. I think it's on the other side. It's like a
Oh, this
small
one.
balcony on the other
Ah.
side. Mm.
Well, we need to get a feed. I could eat the leg of a low-flying duck, Nina.
Yeah. I'm hungry as well.
Okay.
Let's go.
Get it sorted. You want to send the menu, my lord?
I always want to see all the meaning of the words, the Italian words, because
What are you using your Google Translate?
yeah, Google Lens.
Pizza orders in margherita and a pepperoni.
Zero.
Grazie.
Grazie.
Don't forget your Espartan. First pizza's out.
Oh yeah, that's so good. Looks very good, doesn't it?
Shit now, looks right. The margarita is out. I can't film this. I've got to eat. So I'll see you in 5. You know. Oh, I'm calling it. That was the best margarita I've ever had in 45 years. Unbelievable.
In 45 years?
45 years, best margarita ever. I'm full. I'm full as a fat lady sock at the moment, so I need to go back to Sooty and put my feet up. I'll see you there. I'm tired, so I'm ending the vlog here for this evening. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.
100 grams.
Wonder where Puss is. Been looking for her now for 10 minutes. I've got an inkling that she'll turn up soon, because it's about the time of the day where she turns up. Speak of the devil. Hey Puss, come on. Hey. Hey. Last visit from Puss. We got some food for her.
I don't think so. Maybe we got the sausage.
Yeah, sausage. You like sausage? Give Puss some sausage. Puss is back. Let's give her a last little supper here. Cut her up some sausage. Nina's just telling me that we left Norway. It took us 5 days to get to France to go to England. So we were in the Schengen for 5 days, and then we've been out of the Schengen for 2 months in England, and now we're back in. And since all that happened, this was 130 days ago, and we've got a 180-day window to use up these 90 days. So thank you, mother, for the rabbits. We haven't overstayed. I'm really hoping my Norwegian citizenship is going to turn up soon, because all of this fucking political bullshit from England and Australia and 90 days in the Schengen can be all finished with once I become a Norwegian. I enjoyed this one, Puss. It's your last little feed from me. Jeepers. See you. Leaving the puss now. Just have to kick her out of the van. Because unfortunately, for the puss, we're moving on. But we've ordered the Starlink drop box here in this town, so we'll be back. So who knows, we might see the puss again. Our paths will cross. Okay, puss. See you. Okay, hey ho, let's go. The puss is looking at us over there, just looking at us. It's going to miss us now.
I can't see.
See you, puss. What puss now? No one's going to feed the cat.
You will probably meet her again a lot.
See you, puss. I think the reason why we like the town was not just one reason, it's all the reason we've talked about today. The coffee, the pizza, cat, the little puss, the beach, the weather, the whole vibe of the place. We loved it. So it's a hidden little gem for van life, and there's free parking.
To continue on via Flacco.
Cavano.
Left at the other side now.
It's a hidden little gem here on the west coast just south of Rome. So if you're in van life Italy, make sure you check this little town out because it won't disappoint. I do miss the puss though.
Already.
It was sad, the puss.
You will see the puss again, my lord, when we go pick up the parcel.
I hope so.
Yes.
Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next vlog.